Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you slow loading download folder in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to slow loading download folder in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First right click on new, click on folder. After open folder, click on download, right click on properties. After click on customize, click on general item. After clicking on OK, click on OK. There it is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to slow loading download folder in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share if you want to slowly loading download folder in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video.